gives the card and asks her to shuffle. So this time the card Shinlin has already steal the card, and now he plays the she steal the card, and after this he asks her to shuffle the card and deal the card one by one. So after this he plays the steel card on the deck, which was the queen, and then he shows her the he first take the card from her, and that's when he bring his arm close, that's when he steal the card just like this, and he asks her to shuffle the card, and while she is shuffling the card he take the position of the card in lateral palm. As you can see, take the position of lateral palm just like this, as he had much time where because she is shuffling the card. That's when he take the card in lateral position, and when he again take, and after she deals a bunch of card on his hand just like that, that's when the camera cut take place, and that's when he plays the card just like that in an act of squaring the card just like that. And that's how the top card, that's how he plays the top card on queen of diamonds on the. So that's the first part of the trick. Let's jump to the second part. Hello guys, so let's jump to the second part. So this second part is similar to the trick that Dan White performed on the Jimmy Fallon shows. So I'm gonna reveal this trick. So in first he takes the that suppose this is the card that Melissa chooses. Suppose she chooses the ace of spades, and then she kisses the card. Instead of kissing, I will just sign the card just like this. And suppose she signs the card, he let the card dry, and after this then what he does is he takes the card just like this, and then he shows the card just like that it's actually her card. Then he carefully folds the card in her mouth, which is her card. So this card goes in her mouth just like this. Suppose, see, I have nothing under here, so suppose it goes under here and I have no way of touching this card. Then I will take the next card, which is actually mine card, just like this, and I will king of hearts, and I will just draw a smiley on it just like that, and two eyes and the face is just a smiley just like that. And I will just turn over this card just like this, and I will take my card which has the smile. I will not fold it, I will just keep it here. So now this is my card and this is Scarlett's card. So if I just snap my finger, her card actually changes into my card which is smiley on it, and her card is here. So that's the trick. So let me show you how to perform this trick. First of all, it need a little setup. It need two identical cards just like this. So one card you had to sign already. So suppose let me throw this away. So suppose you need two identical cards first of all. So suppose you gonna keep the signed card at the second position, and the normal card, suppose this is card which is not signed, so this is a not signed card which you gonna keep right here. So and then ask her to choose whichever card she may like. Suppose she choose this card, ask her to sign the card. So this time it's this card. Suppose she signed the card just like this, whatever she may wanna sign. And after this, while you are taking the card, you gonna perform a move which we just like this. You just gonna turn over the top card. See, let me show you. So this top card, so as you can see, this top card which is you have to just turn over it like this, just this way. You have to turn the card over, and when you turn the card over, you can also use a body to turn over the card. And after this, you turn, you have, without exposing, place this card right above that card, and then you have to perform a double lift, dealing the false card which is actually your signed card. So that's what you wanna do. So after this, you again perform a double lift. Sorry, it's actually wrong card. So you have to, let me show you one more time. So the signed card on the top position, the non-side card on the second position, and then comes the card that she had signed. You had to take it, turn it over, perform a false deal, then again perform a double lift and show that sign this card which is a non-signed card which you had to sign, and then again perform a double turnover. As you had know your sign, so you can perform your sign 2 times, and then again perform the sign and deal the card. So this is how you perform the trick. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.